subscribe today for free. Episode 38, Cage Dive Surprise. Cage diving is relatively safe, but in some cases these sharks have actually broken through the cage. They can create tremendous amount of force with their fins and body weight, and sometimes they do not notice the cage due to low visibility in the water. It can often surprise the divers when it happens. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on upcoming new videos.